Here's a commonly asked question. What is fiber cement siding? Fiber cement is mainly made of cement, sand, and fiber. It is made to look like wood, but doesn't have the drawbacks, making it a practical option for homeowners who want the look without the hassle. The installation process for fiber cement siding is very similar to that of wood siding. It's placed over the studs or exterior wall sheathing with a weather-resistant barrier. Fiber cement siding comes in a variety of textures, profiles, and colors, and generally holds paint very well. Because fiber cement siding is resistant to water and termites, in addition to not being combustible, the lifespan will be considerably more than wood siding. Some manufacturers offer 50-year warranties, but they vary. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office for a free consultation. Bye for now.